Let's be real. Fashion's getting a little repetitive. It's getting to the point that everyone's starting to look the same. Everybody's looking like NPCs out here. So I want you to look a little bit different for the new year. So to do that, I'm gonna give you 10 pieces that are in style, are most likely timeless, but are also gonna avoid you looking like everyone else. Starting with number 1. The corduroy overshirt. I love this piece because it's not a jacket. It's not a shirt, it's the perfect in between, so it's multi-season. You can wear it for like 3 to 4 seasons out of the year. On top of that, I like the texture. It's a little bit different. See, everybody else will be wearing a flannel. Everybody else will be wearing a jacket. My friend, a corduroy overshirt. 2, a hoodie with a cinch at the bottom and 2 buttons on the neck. So this one, see, sometimes it's just slight variations, right? Like, obviously you're not out here reinventing the wheel. You'll never reinvent a t-shirt or a hoodie, but how can you look a little bit different? Fit, fabric, accessories, slight variations in design. These are the type of stuff that you're looking for, so you end up buying timeless pieces that'll look good 3 to 4 years from now, but still different from everyone else. This is actually a sample for essentials for our upcoming collection. By the way, we just wrapped up our design. Like I told you, our collection is dropping April 1st. Bro, I'm giving you like 2 months ahead of schedule because this is a big deal. We didn't do a big launch last year. This is almost 30 plus new pieces. We brought in 3 designers, Navi, Trey, Camila. You've seen them, bro, you've seen them across your socials. This team, yo, their style is impeccable. Their taste, and us together, we designed what I would say is a truly essential collection across the board for women, for dressy pieces, for casual pieces. And this is one of them, bro. This hoodie, we designed this with Navi. Yo, come on. Look at the fit on that thing, bro. You cannot tell me you're gonna look like every other dude wearing a simple gray hoodie. Yo, just from the fit and fabric alone, that's a dub. And then when you add those key little like styling variations, that's just one of like 30 plus pieces. I'm telling you, bro, this will fly. I'm telling you right now, like, I'm pretty good at seeing the future. This is gonna fly. And if you don't put a reminder on your phone right now, I'm actually gonna take a pause on the video. This is how important this is. Do it, right? April 1st, 10 a.m. Eastern. This is when our collection is dropping. Do not miss this collection. Bro, the pieces in this collection you will use for the next 2-3 years. Sick, sick. If you really want those pieces that are basics, but also won't make you look like everyone else, this is the collection, bro. Number 3, cowboy boots. I'm gonna be honest with you, I got the inspiration from my boy Ralph Lauren. I don't know the guy, but the guy has impeccable style, probably untouchable, honestly. Probably one of the best dressed guys in the world. Just his versatility is amazing. And I saw him dress up cowboy boots. I was like, yo, that's sick. I gotta try that out. Love it. Love it. Look, unless you're down in the South, most people don't rock cowboy boots or don't know how to. But you pair that with a nice straight jean and a fitted sweater, bro, immaculate. Which takes me to number 4, fitted jeans. Look, I love baggy pants, but I feel like baggy pants has now entered the skinny fit era. It is at peak popularity to the point that it's mainstream and everyone and their mother is wearing loose cut pants. And it's gonna take the same course that skinny jeans took. So why don't you beat that, and instead of continuing to wear baggy pants, which you can, but instead a pair of slim cuts. Right? Slim cut denim, that's straight cut, that's classic, not skinny, right? Not loose. It's that perfect cut. It's a timeless cut. You buy that jean today, and I promise you, even when loose cut goes out of style and skinny comes back in, your straight cut will still look good. Number 5, wear different fragrances daily. It's hard for me to reiterate this, but a fragrance, it's like clothing. You don't see it, you smell it, but you don't want to smell the same. In the same way, you don't want to wear the same t-shirt every single day of the week. And the best way to look different than other people is to wear a different fragrance. See, everybody else is going to be wearing your Eros, Sauvage, YSL, right? They're going to be wearing the traditional fragrances, which are great. Again, go against that culture. Build a collection for yourself and wear a different fragrance every day that I promise you will keep you different. Number 6, wear a watch. Crazy, but yes, just wearing a watch. will make you dress different than other guys. And it's a staple. It's not a trendy piece. You're gonna have that watch for the next 100 years if it's a quality piece. But go on TikTok and look at all the TikTok fashion guys doing get ready with me's. I would say 95% of them, once they get ready, all they'll do is they'll put the rings, their bracelets, and then they're out the door. Almost all of them never put on a watch because most men don't wear watches. The amount of guys that actually wear watches, it's small, which is a good thing for you because every time you wear them, you're looking different than every guy. And remember, a watch is a status symbol. You put a nice one on, you're elevating your status. Number 7, a textured hat. More particularly, a corduroy hat. See, you don't want your basic baseball cap, right, with a lot of logos and stuff like that. You don't want your basic trucker hat. Everybody and their mother's gonna be wearing that. But a corduroy hat, it's a little bit different. Has that texture, and again, you still have that same utility. Takes me to number 8, a leather jacket. See, everyone and their mother is wearing puffer jackets or bomber jackets, which again, it's a great thing. If you have them, you can still wear them. But if you want a timeless piece that you know that 99% of men are still not wearing, get yourself a leather jacket. And the great thing with the leather jacket is that they actually look better with time. So the more you wear them, the more comfortable and the better it ends up looking. Number 9, a knitted polo. Because let's be real, the last time you stepped out, how many men did you see wearing a polo shirt? Very few. Like, I rarely see men wearing polo shirts. They're either wearing a sweater or a t-shirt, but a polo shirt, almost never. Get a knitted one, now you look expensive, which ultimately rolls me to number 10, flannel jackets. Again, a shacket is a shirt jacket, basically, but if you want to switch up your flannels just a bit, everybody's wearing flannels, everybody has a flannel, get a flannel shacket. A little bit different, a little thicker. You usually wear it in the colder months, but again, it's a great way to get a timeless piece that's slightly different so you don't look like everyone else.